Hi class, we continue with exponential equations. Here is the fifth lesson. We want to find the value of x in this equation that says the cube root of 2 to the power x plus 5 equal to 4 to the power x minus 1 divided by 8 to the power x over 2. We want to find the value of x, and the power is where we can find the unknown. That makes it an exponential equation or exponential function. All right, so what we do is that this one is a cube root. A to the power half, a to the power 1/3, a to the power 1/4. This can be written as square root of a. This cube root of a, and this fourth root of a. Once the power is a fraction and it's positive, the first thing that should come to your mind is to open a root. The power is a fraction, we need a root. It's a fraction, we need a root. Yeah, the denominator is 2. The reason we call it square root. But just like in mathematics, there are things we don't write, though we recognize them. When you have a to the power 1, it is just a. When we have 1x, it is just x. When it's supposed to be square root of 2, it is just root 2. If it's square root of a, it is just root a. We don't write 2 here. Just like we don't write 1 here, we don't write 1 here. So the same. Because of, but we recognize that here is 2. But because it's just a similar situation we are in, a value raised to 1 is the value itself. 1 with a value is the value itself. If it's supposed to be 2, we forget about it. Yeah. But if it is 3, it is a must. 4, it is a must whatsoever. So it means if you have something like this, there are situations wherein you need to write it in this form. If you have this, there are situations wherein you need to reverse it to this. And this is what we are doing here. So for cube root, we say 2 to the power x plus 5. See, cube root of a to 1/3. Cube root of this to 1/3 to the power 1/3, which is equal to 4 can give us 2 to the power 2, just the 4. So we can see that we have a new power. The new power multiplies the original power, which is x minus 1. 8 will give us 2 to the power 3. 3 is the new power multiplying what? The original power, which is x over 2. Okay, so we are moving. Yes, we are right on the track because you can see base 2, base 2, base 2. But the only format we want is that k raised to something equal to k raised to something here. This is the format. 1 base equal to 1 base. So now what else do we do? This power is affecting this. When a base has a power inside and another power outside, the two powers multiply themselves. Which are the powers? The one outside and the one inside affecting a base. So we say 2 raised to the power 1/3 times this is 1/3 multiplied by x plus 5 equal to. So at the top, we have 2 raised to the power 2 times x, 2x, 2 times minus 1 minus 2. Here, 2 raised to the power 3 times x, 3x over 2. We've still not made it to appear like 1 base equal to 1 base. Here is already 1 base. So on the right, we need also 1 base. So we say 2 raised to the power 1/3 times x plus 5 equal to base 2, they are the same. We'll take 1. Yes. So we always prioritize the one at the top first, which is 2x minus 2. This one going up, we say minus 3x over 2. We are not moving this 2 again because there is already 2 taking its place. Only the power that we move. And when the power moves from the numerator to the denominator, the sign changes. From denominator to numerator, the sign changes. Up to down, the sign changes as well. Now 1 base equal to 1 base. So this cancel this. So because they are the same, this cancel this. So what do we have here? So 1/3 times x plus 5 is like 1 times the bracket is the bracket, which is x plus 5. 1 times x plus 5 is x plus 5 over 3, which is equal to 2x minus 2 minus 3x over 2. So what is next? What are the denominators here? We have 3 and 2. And what is the LCM? The LCM is 6. So this 6, we use it to multiply every term. So this is x plus 5 over 3. 6 again, multiply by 2x minus 6, multiply by 2 minus 6, multiply by 3x minus 2. Where this 6 comes from, it is the LCM of 3 and 2. That is it. So 3 into 6 is 2. 2 into 6 is 3. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 5, 10. This by this is 12x. This gives 12. And this gives minus 9x. We need x. So this is 2x. This comes here minus 12x. This comes here minus 9x. The ones without x, we move them to the other side. Minus 12. Move this. Minus 10. 2x minus 12x minus 10x. Minus 10 plus 9x is minus 1x, which is minus 22. So we divide by minus 1, because there is 1 here. So this takes away this, leaving x. This takes away this, leaving 22. So this is the 5th lesson for exponential. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment.